Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Manchester Police Chief Carlo Capano, disgusted with plea bargain, criticizes county attorney. Police brass said they are losing confidence in Hillsborough County Attorney Michael Collin following a plea bargain that resulted in the father of a toddler who died of a drug overdose receiving a 5-year prison sentence last week. Police Chief Carlo Capano called the plea bargain disgusting. The deal called for a minimum 5-year sentence and a minimum 2-year drug treatment program for Joshua Garvey, 32. The mom, Christian Lines, 34, will spend the next 7 years in prison on drug trafficking charges. Capano, Assistant Police Chief Ryan Grant, and Detective Captain Sean Layton all told the police commission they were unhappy with the plea bargain. Capano said a prosecutor for County Attorney Michael Collin's office had discussed a possible plea bargain, and police did not like it. Police asked to be kept apprised, but the next they heard about the case was when it was reported on social media Friday afternoon. Capano said he wanted at least a minimum sentence of 10 or 20 years for each parent. In a text, Collin said he is finalizing a policy to address police department concerns. He said he has taken additional internal actions and has other actions in the works, and he should have more information available by week's end. Collin, a Democrat, was elected last year despite his lack of prosecutorial experience. He defeated a Republican who also had no experience when he took the job. Capano said his office worked with former county attorney Dennis Hogan and the attorney general. Capano said the Garvey Lines case was rock solid. But when Assistant County Attorney Donald Tootham addressed a judge on Friday, he said it would have been a difficult case to take to trial. Garvey would have testified he was asleep when his son died, which would have made it difficult to prove his responsibility for the death, Tootham said, and Garvey would have claimed the boy had taken the cocaine while under the care of his mother. Meanwhile, Gillans would have testified that Tatum was alive when she gave the boy to Garvey, so she was not responsible. Grant said he attended a meeting of Hillsborough County Police Chiefs with First Assistant County Attorney Nicole Price. He said all chiefs were equally frustrated with Cullen's office. Grant said the county attorney is an elected position and the department must work with the office. In an interview, Capano ruled out any notice that he or his department would become involved in the election of a county attorney. Leighton complained that police no longer have the relationship with the Hillsborough County Attorney's Office that it used to. Recently, Cullen drew the ire of Merrimack police for his instance that his office oversees their prosecution of misdemeanor animal cruelty cases. And Attorney General Gordon MacDonald instructed Cullen to develop a policy that calls for his oversight of domestic violence cases that are dropped. That stemmed from this summer's death of Jennifer Burpee at the hands of her estranged boyfriend who had escaped prosecution of earlier domestic assault charges. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye.